But baby, I'm just saying, yellow is the best color. I'm yellow, cheese is yellow. It's the best color, baby. Well, no, purple is the best color. It's so calming to me. Like, it puts me at ease. Like, whenever I'm mad, I can just look at the color purple and I can just calm straight down. It's the best color. Come on, Pikachu. No, yellow is the best color. Look, your eyes are even yellow. That's why it's the best color. Because of your beautiful eyes. Oh, Pikachu. What was that? I don't know. There was again. What is that noise? Dad! Hey, Pichu. What is that noise you're making? I don't know what's going on with me. My mouth keeps on doing this thing. Wait a minute. Pichu, you have the hiccups. What? I have the what? You have the hiccups, Pichu. It's where you're like, I don't know what it is, but it happens sometimes to people. We got to get this fixed. Yeah, we can't have you having hiccups. That would be annoying. So, like, what can we do? I don't know. Can we just tell it to go away? You can't tell hiccups to go away. Well, then, how are we gonna do it? Maybe we could try. Yeah, I'll get some cold water for you. What? How will that help? You know, it could probably it'll help, Pichu. It'll help. Okay. All right, Pichu, I got a water bottle for you. So if you drink this, your hiccups will probably go away. Are you sure about this, Dad? Yes, I'm sure. Just drink it, Pichu. Okay, if you say so. That water was good, but I don't think it got rid of the hiccups. Damn, Pichu, you drank the whole bottle in like 2 seconds. How'd you do that? I don't know, Mom. But I want to get rid of these stupid hiccups. So what else can we do? Ooh, I could try scaring you. Scaring me? Yeah, I can scare you so bad that when you scream, your hiccups will just go away. That doesn't work. That would not work. I've tried it before. Trust me, it works, Pichu. Just let one of us scare you. But neither of you are scary, though. Hey! Well, we can be scary. Like, watch this. Scary. Scary. I'm scary. Make your hiccups go away. Make your hiccups go away. It didn't work. Man, that was the scariest thing I've ever seen you do, Turtwig. You were so scary, I was terrified. I can't believe that didn't work. What else could we try? Ooh, I got it. How about we just give you a lemon and you can bite into it? What? How is a lemon gonna get rid of my hiccups? Oh no, I've heard of this before. If you bite into a lemon, then it'll get rid of the hiccups. It'll solve the whole thing. Okay, now I just feel like you guys are just making stuff up. No, it's real, Pichu. Turtwig, can you get him some lemons? Okay, yeah, sure. Dad, this is not gonna work. Lemons are sour. I don't want to bite into a sour lemon. That's not gonna work. Pichu, you gotta stop doubting us. It's gonna work. I've seen it before. It's gonna work. I searched it up online. It works. It's gonna work. It's real. If you bite into a lemon, it'll work. Okay. Water bottle out of here. Alright, Pichu, I swear, if you bite into this lemon, it'll get rid of the hiccups. I swear. Trust me, I'm your mom. Okay, Mom, I'll bite into the lemon then. If it'll really get rid of the hiccups. That lemon was sour. And my hiccups are still not gone. That lemon was so sour. That lemon was so sour. And I feel like my hiccups just got worse. Oh my goodness, his hiccups got worse. How does that happen? I don't know. We need to think of something quick. Oh, I got it. This is for sure gonna work. Okay, what is it, Turtwig? Pichu, just hold your breath for a really long time. That will work. If you hold your breath for like, I'd say about like 10 minutes maybe, then that will get rid of the hiccups. What? 10 minutes? I feel like you can't do that for 10 minutes, Turtwig. No, I've seen it online. It works. If you hold your breath for like 10 minutes, then the hiccups will go away, Pichu. What? Holding my breath? Wait, that will kill me! Baby, it will probably near kill him if he holds his breath for that long. No, Pichu, you just have to try. Do you want the hiccups to go away or not? Yes, I want these stupid hiccups to go away. Okay, then just trust your parents and hold your breath for a really long time. You know what? Not even 10 minutes. Just as long as you can go. Okay? Try to hold your breath for the longest amount of time as possible. Then the hiccups will go away. Are you sure about this? Now you're doubting me? Come on. It'll work, guys. I'm your mom. Pichu, I'm your mom. It'll work. Okay, Pichu, I guess just try it. See if if the hiccups will go away. Okay, I guess I'll just hold my breath for a very long time. Pichu, are you okay? I'm trying. Rick, I don't think this is working. Oh, come on, it's working. It's working. Do you see how good it's working right now? Look at Pichu. See, look, it's working. You can't tell me that's not working. Like, look at him. I feel like I want to die. Okay, Pichu, stop. Just stop. It's not gonna work. And my hiccups are still here. Mom, I thought you told me that it worked. I thought you told me that it would work. I thought it would, but apparently not. Are you just unsolvable for hiccups? Do you just have the hiccups for the rest of your life? No, baby, don't say that. He does not have the hiccups for the rest of his life, and he won't. You just told him a bad way to get rid of hiccups. That wasn't gonna work. What? A bad way to get rid of hiccups? I thought that was gonna work. No, it didn't work. So you're just terrible at thinking of ideas to get rid of hiccups, Turtwig. Yeah, you're the one that told him to drink water. Actually, that was a pretty good idea. I don't know why it didn't work, though. Why is nothing working? Pichu, I think you just have hiccups the rest of your life. No. He does not have hiccups the rest of his life. We cannot give up on him. We have to try something else. How about you guys just try the scaring method again? What? The scaring method? That already didn't work, Pichu. No, like, what if you, like, increase the scariness to, like, 1 million scariness? Like, so scary that a killer would poop his pants. Like, that scary. Huh. So scary that a killer would poop his pants. You know what? I got it. Yeah. Good idea, Pichu. Alright, these hiccups are gonna go away in no time. What happened to the lights? I mean, it only got slightly dimmer, but what happened to the lights? Pichu. Who's there? Pichu. Who is there? It is us. The scary sock monsters. We are here to sock you up. Yes, we're gonna steal all your socks and sniff them. What? What? Baby? Huh? We're gonna kill you. My hiccups are still here. We can't do it, Peach. We can't do it, Pikachu. We cannot scare him. We cannot get rid of his hiccups. We'll just have to stay with him having hiccups the rest of his life. Get this sock off of me. We'll never get rid of Pichu's hiccups. Guys, I think my hiccups are gone. Wait, they're gone? How? I haven't hiccuped in a while now, and I think they just naturally went away. So, we're good now. None of that stuff worked, by the way. All that for nothing. They just naturally went away. I'm gonna go play video games. They just naturally went away. What?